Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer, and I have the shade Sun Kissed. I'm so excited that e.l.f. has came out with this putty bronzer, and I have been using e.l.f. since the products were like $1, and the highest thing was probably like $3, and I've been using e.l.f. ever since then. So I'm excited about this product. And so Sun Kissed looks like this. So there was another shade that was a little darker, but it looked purple, and I didn't want to try that one. I was afraid to try this one because like online the picture looked almost my skin color, but now that I have it, it looks like it'll be a good match. So let's go ahead and get to it. I have this Real Techniques brush that I'm going to use today. It's more like a contour brush, but I'm going to use it for the application to blend it. But I'm also going to use, it's like a punch pen. I'm going to use this one to apply it where I want it, and then this side to blend it out. But yes, do not mind my nails, you guys. I am a braider, so my nails look crazy all the time. All right, I already did my foundation and a few other things, but let's get to it. Like I said, Sun Kissed. This is it. I'm going to use this side. Let's see. All right, so it's very creamy. It's a cream, so definitely going to get on there. I'm going to be looking over here. Okay, let's see. I'm just going to apply it where my contour normally is, because I like to do bronzer, but this looks like it can also be a contour shade as well. And it applies. Look at that. I'm going to go up a little bit more, and then I'm just going to take it up. Okay. Okay, so I probably went down too far. I went down a little too far. I've never used cream bronzers. I like powder bronzers. This is mine. So adding this to the collection will be kind of fun. Alright, so I'm gonna just keep going, taking it like where I normally would contour, because I'm going to use this more for contour. And I'm happy because a lot of the other bronzers out there, you guys, they're like buying foundation. The price of them is almost like buying foundation. So I'm happy that this is kind of looking good. It's looking like it'll do something. And I feel like even though this is a bronzer, I feel like it's very dry. It's very, very dry. So if you're my shade and you're trying to figure out what color should you get, I think that you'll be happy with Sun Kissed. It's not warm. I do like more warm. I like more warm bronzers, but this is alright. Okay, let me get it up close, see how I really look, guys. This is with the bronzer, and I kind of like went crazy right there, but this is with it, this is without, and so you can see how it's looking here. You can use any brush you want to use. Like I could have used this to round it up or whatever, but I don't want to use this brush right now. So I was just trying to test out how this flat brush would work. And yeah, I'm going to finish my face and I'll be back. I have finished applying it and on my whole face. And so my final thoughts, I really believe that this is a good bronzer for those of you who are beginners when it comes to applying the bronzers, the contour. Use this because it's actually a really, really light application. It doesn't, like if you saw when I was putting it on, as you saw, that it was barely anything on my face. So you don't have room to mess up if you're new and you want to try bronzers. but it's really good. This is a good shade for anyone who's my skin color. I like this. I think this can be used not just for bronzer, because bronzer, it goes in those areas where the sun hits that high points of your face and things, the high points of your face. But I think this is also good for contour. I will definitely use this for contour. That's what I kind of use it for today. It's very light. I did a light application. I'll show you the before and the after. And yeah, so if you try this out, let me know how it goes. And I hope you enjoy this review. I also purchased the acne fighting putty primer as well. This is also a new product, and I'll let you know how this goes later on, which was very cheap. By the way, this was only $6. It was very cheap. I feel like cheap is a bad word, so we'll say inexpensive, because though they are inexpensive, they're good products. And yeah, so try it out. Let me know. Tell me what you think. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.